Well, we can't forget the low rises. Come on, people. Hello. The original concept was to get pollinators here in the lower section of the towers. And I mentioned earlier that we've had rain 4 out of the last 5 days. And so the Kraken, as we've called this, it's just insane. We took one of our pretty pots and we took our first shot at planter construction, and these flowers, man, these vines and these guys and even these guys and those guys have been booming. Okay, so it's kind of the purpose that the low rises were to serve, which were to be pollinator stations to help towers and everybody else. But the Kraken is symbolic of the insane overgrowth of this 24-inch and our other 15-inch. I mean, they don't look too good right now because of the rain, but they were insane. I mean, take a look at this guy right here. Oh my God. In a little 15-inch planter, you know, I planted some annuals in there and these little bushes and this joyweed. Oh my God. Don't forget about, I mean, we totally overlooked the zinnias and single pots over here, but starting with the Kraken, I mean, they're successful. They're amazing. These are pollinator stations supreme, you know. It is literally the sour cream put onto our taco that makes it so much better. But at the same time, how do we manage the growth? Well, Di doesn't want me to cut back on these hearts and flowers, which I'm going to do. Don't tell her. It's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but between safe havens for shade-needing plants and upcoming replacements into the main line, space may be used more effectively. That being said, we will determine the fate of these low-rise residents probably in the next couple of days. But the low rises serving as much as utilitarian as a pretty complement to our productive garden. But no, what about the condos? Oh yeah, the condos. The section where it all began, one of our first videos that talked about what's out here. Let's do a quick roll call, all right? Aloe vera, rosemary, sweet basil, ajaca basil, crazy, thyme, spearmint, strawberry, dill, red robin basil, chives, cute little planter, green onions, 2 types of sage, Thai basil, peppermint, grape tomato plant, Times Supermarket tomato plant, and the triplets featuring 3, who knows what tomato plants, because I thought they were all straight up from our Times Supermarket Eaton tomato, but all of a sudden we got a different kind of tomato plant here. Between the addition of this tomato row to give a little bit of shade to the herb garden over here, to the second chance at dill, to amazing from seed growth, mind you, red robin basil development, crazy ass hair clip for men thing going on over there, successful partnering of the sage, and bountiful, amazing, I mean, this is 3 feet tall. This was as tall when I've actually clipped them. I mean, the growth and development of the condos, yeah, I mean, if we just had this, it would have been awesome, but we did a little bit more. We actually have more than we ever need as far as green onions are concerned. Ready to make some jun pancakes with these chives, and yeah, I mean, everyone's going to be getting herbs for Christmas. So, condos, killing it.